Year, guys. Wish you a great year ahead. Wish you luck, success, happiness, and lots of love from my side. I know I'm late. So today in this video, I'm going to review a very fantastic facial kit. It's an anti-aging facial kit. Especially I'm using this since 2 to 3 months before reviewing this kit, and this kit is really awesome. Trust me guys, I'm using it personally and I'm loving this result. This kind of kits are very beneficial for those जिनके पास मतलब time नहीं होता है to go out to salons and parlors फ्रीक्वेंटली. स्पेशली मुझे तो नहीं हो पाता टाइम क्योंकि मुझे मेरा बेबी को देखना पड़ता है. सो उसको अगर लेके भी मैं जाती हूँ स्पास में, सैलून्स में, वो मुझे अलाउ नहीं करता. चलो घर चलो नैगिंग, जो कि कॉमन थिंग है बच्चों में. इट्स ओके, आई डोंट माइंड दिस. तो मतलब उसके लिए मुझे ज़्यादा रहने को भी नहीं मिलता है. एंड अभी मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम ड्यूटी में रहते हैं. आई एम होम मेकर, सो आई एम टेकिंग केयर ऑफ माई हाउस, माई बेबी एंड माई हस्बैंड. बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम ऐसा होता है कि उनको तो जॉब में जाना रहता है, बिजनेस टूर्स में जाना रहता है, एंड आई एम अनेबल टू गो टू सैलून विथ माई बेबी. स्पेशली इन दिस कोरोना क्राइसिस, ओमिक्रॉन क्राइसिस, ये सब के टाइम में ज़्यादा बाहर जाना भी मुझे सेफ़ नहीं लगता है, ठीक नहीं लगता है. सो मेरे जैसे बहुत से होंगे जिनको मतलब टाइम नहीं मिल पाता है बाहर जाने के लिए, या फिर दे आर स्केयर्ड टू गो आउट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पैंडेमिक डिज़ास्टर जो कोरोना है, चल रहा है कितने दिन से एंड ऑल. तो उनके लिए दिस इज़ द बेस्ट ऑप्शन. दिस Raaga professional anti-aging facial kit with rosemary oil, which is this rosemary oil is a very good product for anti-aging. It contains very good properties of anti-aging, and it helps in giving skin that younger looking glow, and it keeps your skin wrinkle free. And I have bought this single use kit at the price of 325 rupees. So I'm going to review this kit as honestly as possible. तो जो लोग बाहर नहीं जा पाते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ वर्क और फैमिली और वट एवर रीज़न, एंड जिनको मतलब चाहिए कि घर में यूज़ करना है, एंड बहुत लोग एंटी एजिंग फेशियल किट ढूंढते हैं विथ lots of anti-aging properties and जो मतलब अच्छा हो. So they can go for this Raaga professional anti-aging facial kit. It's trust me, it's really good. It makes your skin smooth, soft, supple, and it removes tanning as well from your face. It's really that good. It really gives you that younger looking skin. And I don't know about it keeps your skin wrinkle free or not. I don't know because I'm using it since 2 to 3 months. But yes, if you ask me, since 2 to 3 months my skin is really like baby soft. It makes your skin really smooth, soft, almost like a baby skin. You can trust me on this in this review. And let's begin. So it's a 7-step process, and I have already used cleanser and exfoliator because you can see खुला हुआ the cap is lost because I'm using this. I've used this kit. After that I'm only reviewing. I'm not only reviewing after buying this, that this is a very good kit, buy this, buy that. No, at first I use this. If I find it useful, then only I review this, and I hope this review will help you out. And I hope that you guys can hear my voice because I can't shout that loudly. I don't like to shout, parosis, like they will be listening, and I'm a little bit shy kind of person, so I'm not going to shout. I hope you guys can hear me clearly. Yes, I'm going to buy a mic very soon. Okay, let's get back to the video. So this kit contains 7 tubes. First tube is Raaga Professional Anti-Aging Cleanser 4 gram. So Raaga Professional Anti-Aging Cleanser 4 gram. And the second is Raaga Professional Anti-Aging Exfoliator, which is a scrub 4 gram again. Then Raaga Professional Anti-Aging Toner 4 gram. Raaga Professional Anti-Aging Serum 2 gram. And then Raaga Professional Anti-Aging Massage Cream 6 gram. And then Raaga Professional Anti-Aging Peel Off Mask. So at first you have to clean your face with cleanser for at least 4 to 5 minutes. Then you have to exfoliate your skin for 10 minutes, 8 minutes. Then you have to leave it on for 3 minutes. Then after that you have to use toner in your face, and again you have to leave that toner for 3 minutes. And then after that you have to use or apply that serum, anti-aging serum, with the help of ultrasonic machine. If you don't have any ultrasonic machine, then it's okay, you can use your hand as well. Then massage it for 5 to 10 minutes. Then after that use Raaga Professional Anti-Aging Massage Cream and massage your skin for 15 to 20 minutes in circular motion. Then after that you have to use peel off mask. The peel off mask came in a powder form. You have to use the entire powder in a bowl, mix it with water or rose water. I use rose water plus glycerin with this because I have a very dry skin, so I use glycerin, not a lot of glycerin, but yes, few drops of glycerin with lots of rose water. I modify this and use this peel off mask. Then after 15 to 20 minutes I peel this off. It almost like a maida, it's almost like a maida. When you mix this, it's almost like a maida dough. And after it's white in color, so after using this for 10 to 15 minutes, peel it off and get a very glowing skin. And I have modified the steps. After peeling off the mask, I apply toner. Raaga Professional Anti-Aging Toner available with this kit. Then after that I use serum, and then after that I use a moisturizer. Yes, a day cream is available with this kit, but I don't use that day cream because I find it a bit dry for me, because I have a very extremely dry skin and it's winter. I'm not talking about summer. You can use that day cream in summer, or if you have normal skin or oily skin, you can go for that day cream. And at any winter, at any weather, not winter, at any weather. But I'm using a hard, heavy moisturizer for my skin because I have extremely dry skin, and this cream is a bit dry. But trust me guys, this kit is lifesaver for those who can't go out regularly to take care of their skin, especially to maintain that youthful glow. You need this kit. Trust me, at least use once. For a single use pack you have to pay 325 only. That's not a very expensive, so you can easily go for this kit and use it. And please comment below about your experience with this kit, and I really hope that it will suit you all. And it helps in giving a wrinkle-less and younger looking skin. And anything else? Yes, it does contain rosemary oil, calendula extract, evening primrose extract, which is very good for skin. It helps in maintaining skin look younger. And I hope that you guys are going to use this kit after watching this review. Trust me guys, go for it, at least use once and then comment. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and few tips from my side, keeping for keeping your skin healthy, young and fresh. Drink lots of water, use vitamin C serum, then drink a lot of orange juice, eat fruits with vitamin C, which contain vitamin C, citric acid, like oranges, berries, etc. And most important, use sunscreen. Even during winter season, many people skip sunscreen at winter. They think that it's too cold out, why should I use a sunscreen? But it's not true. You have to use sunscreen every day, every morning, and you have to reapply it if possible, if needed. Sunscreen plays a very important role in keeping your skin young and glowing. And in this video, I hope you are understanding what I am trying to say. Actually, I am making this video after a really long time, so I have lost that fast way of talking and all of those things which we do in front of camera. But since I have started, I'm not going to stop. This year I'm going to upload lots and lots of video, and I hope you guys will enjoy it and love it. And please stay connected. Do watch my videos, share my videos, like my videos, subscribe, and please, most importantly, pray for me and my channel. Lots of love from my side. Bye.